So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable desktop mode in Safari on your iPhone device. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your settings actually. So there's a few ways you can do that, but this is the way that it's going to be working for most of you. So from here, go to apps. After that, you will need to find the Safari app, which will be under the letter S. So if I scroll just enough, I can find this compass logo and I will click on that. From here, you can see some of the options like basic ones are Siri and search. You can see downloads, extensions, open links and stuff like that. So through here, you can also see the option request desktop website. So from here, you can just click on that and you can see request desktop website on all websites. So that's you can do that to make it universal. When you're using Safari, you can see the desktop version. So you can turn that on or off. And you can also do that if you go to Safari itself. And you can see here, if you click on the search, and you will see the letter capital letter A and then a smaller case letter A. You can click on that and then you will see the desktop version for that site individually. But if you want to turn it on for all websites, just go to here and toggle it on or off. So that's how you can do that for Safari, is through your settings actually. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safari or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.